The future is here, and it's packed with mind-blowing tech, from AI-powered smart glasses to shape-shifting robots. 2025 has some of the craziest gadgets we've ever seen, but which ones will truly change the game? Let's find out. Imagine a world where you never have to check your phone. These AI-powered smart glasses bring notifications, real-time translations, and even augmented reality right into your line of sight. They're like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's got real-time language translation, built-in AI assistant, and augmented reality integration. Gadget number 2. Why settle for a flat screen when you can project a full 3D hologram anywhere? This tiny device brings movies, video calls, and even gaming to life like never before. It's portable and wireless, it's got 360-degree 3D projection, and it works with smartphones and laptops. Gadget number 3. Tired of your coffee getting cold? This upgraded self-heating mug keeps your drink at the perfect temperature for hours. Plus, it now has wireless charging. Other than that, it's got adjustable temperature control and smart app integration. Gadget number 4. Meet your new personal assistant. This AI-powered robot can change shape, adapt to tasks, and even learn from your daily routines. Is this the future of home automation? It's got AI-driven adaptability, voice and gesture control, and it helps with home tasks and reminders. And there you have it, the most surprising gadgets of 2025. Which one blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments.